brisket fried rice. Y'all ready? Let's go. First, we're going to be taking our wok, heating this nice and hot, adding in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Next, we're going to be frying 4 large eggs, just like so. From here, adding in our leftover chopped brisket right into the wok. From here, adding in frozen mixed vegetables next. It's a nice mix. Hoisin sauce, sesame oil, garlic minced, and pinch of black pepper goes in next. Now adding in 2 cups of old jasmine rice. Saute this down, adding in a ½ cup of light soy sauce. And there we have it. Garnish with green onions and you have yourself an amazing brisket fried rice. Look how amazing that is. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes, and I hope you have a good day now. You hear? Bye-bye.